Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to announce the winner for my Jeulia jewelry giveaway. And I have one winner for this giveaway. Now, the site, I left the link for the site down below the original video, which I'll leave the link again down below this video for you to click on that link and choose one of the prize. So some of the entries were asking for the tennis bracelet, and I'm so sorry that tennis bracelet is not on that link. There is 3 pages on that link. I'm going to show you here. Okay, this is the page, and as you can see, it has the 1, 2, 3 pages for you to choose from. So we click on, this is page 1, and we're going to scroll down. And now I'm going to click on page 2. And then we scroll up. All these items, and then we're going to click on page 3. And scroll down again. And all these items, see, page 1, page 2, page 3, these are the items that you choose your giveaway package from. The item that you can win for your giveaway, not the tennis bracelet. So whoever my winner is, they will have to go on that link and tell me the items that they want, plus the item number, the item code number, yeah. And then I will in turn turn everything over to Jeulia Jewelry Company, and they will get your prize out to you. Yeah, so it's that simple. I'm so sorry, but tennis bracelet is not one of the prizes that can be won. Just the items on those 3 pages is what you're allowed to choose from. Alright, so, and thank you for everyone who entered this giveaway. Thank you so much, and thank you for going over to my vlog channel, Petal's Corner. And you know, I hope you stick around and come back and watch some more of A Day in the Life with Petal. Yes, I do. I hope you do come back and watch more of my vlog videos. And also keep watching my DIY channel too. Yes. I really appreciate the support. Alright, so the winner for today's giveaway is you're the winner for this giveaway. Contact me, I guess, by email at and we could talk more about getting your prize out to you. Alright everyone, thank you to all who entered my giveaway. And as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.